Hi, I'm Alex from BE Meyers Company, and today we're going to go over unboxing your KIJI K1 laser device. First thing, when you open it up, you're going to see your KIJI there. Please take heed of the warning, Class 3R infrared laser device. Read the instructions before operation and before you try to install a battery. KIJI is going to just tip out. Remove your top tray. You're going to find a note from someone in operations who handled your product. And your bottom tray. And inside is going to be any additional accessories you ordered, but every complete unit will have a CR123 battery, a aperture retaining band replacement should you need it, and the operator's manual. And that is everything inside. Thank you very much.